And with that done, all you have to do is remove the crown from the existing stem and put into the Myota stem. Now this is a job I've demonstrated several times in previous videos.
Nakuha na niya, Dek? Nakuha? Nakuha na?
Well, look at that. A nice little upgrade should the original movement fail. My recommendation is, if you like this style of watch, you could purchase it, get as much use and enjoyment out of it as you can, and should the movement fail, well, you can purchase a replacement DG2813 quite easily online, or you can upgrade to a Myota 8215. If this watch didn't have such a nice quality case and bracelet, well, it wouldn't be worth the time and trouble. But for $50, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely a lot of watch for the money. That's just my opinion. But would I, or would you not touch it with a barge pole? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, and you've not done so already, then please consider subscribing. It is free, and if you click the bell, you'll be notified whenever I publish new content, and I do have a few nice projects on the go. And if you're interested in knowing more about watch repair, then check out www.watchrepairlessons.com, where I have a full watch repair course and plenty of extra content which is not available on YouTube. And this video was made possible with the support of my patrons, whom I thank so much. And I'll see you next time.